5 this year. I rejected the Franco Morales and Manuel Luis Antonio. Mahal kasi ang PS5. Just wait for PS6. Antayin nyo, like I said, by 2027 and late 2027 and begin of 2028, there will be release of PS6 or PS6 or wait for PS6. Me, I'm planning to buy PS5 PlayStation 5. My dad says to me, we don't have money. If my brother has a money, wait only. Oh, but me, my plan was, I'm going to buy my Russian Spetsnaz or Zvezda or favorite of Tito Mac, or I'm going to buy a Yoshima Snap Kit or the favorite of my arch rival, Mark Domingo Cruz, that Toyota 86. Oh, I will get one. I said that it's too much expensive to buy PS5. Very expensive. If I was told to my mom, oh, mahal kasi ang PS5. And she said to me, tumigil ka na, huwag ka na bili PS5. Mahal yun. Like she said to me. Very expensive. Wait for PS6. Wait for PlayStation 6 as JD Biniegas and Sir Paulo Cua. Oh. They said to me, wait for PlayStation 6. Oh. Ask my other friend Chris Soreta or my colleagues or my friends in CDIFI, or I was mentioned about Bill Galang, or Bill cannot buy PS5 because his mother, Tita Ata, says sobrang mahal ang PS5. Oh, mahal. Oh, that's very expensive. Like Rapasoko is planning to buy PS5. He doesn't have money for PS5. Oh, he will wait for PS6. Because Rapasoko has PS4. Oh, he has PS3, he has PS4. And he has, what Rapasoko says to me? PlayStation 1. Oh, that was the old one. He using it. He used that from his sister, Leah. Oh. And Rafa has Nintendo Switch. Oh. That was same of Miggy Labitag. Miggy never had sold the Nintendo Switch. And he has, what console of Miggy Labitag? Computer only. Computer. Oh. For me, I always content the PS4. I said that. I always content. Look at Lawrence Villawan. Oh, look at Mark Domingo Cruz. Oh, they have PS4. Oh, let's learn how to wait. Because I'm saying to Manuel Luis Antonio, you said in the thread, though I'm not picking you a fight. Antayin nyo na lang ang PS6. Wait only the PS6 because it's going to be released very soon. If I was told by Sir Paulo Cua that PS5 very expensive, mahal. Sobrang mahal ang PS5. Kevin Suarez is not going to buy PS5 because expensive. Only he has his own is PS4. Oh. Because I know, for me, whenever people have PS5, like Franco Morales, just wait for PS6. Franco Morales has his own PS4. He's still using it. Just learn how to wait. Because I was requested by Larry Chuanico or Mark Cruz, will I get Toyota 86 if I don't want to debate him in Instagram, in threads? I said to Mark Cruz, will I get a Yoshima Snapkit Toyota 86? Okay, Mark Cruz. if I get it too. Even Tito Mac asking me that Russian Spetsnaz Bezda. Okay, Tito Mac, I accepted too. I accepted the offer from Mark Domingo Cruz and Tito Mac. And first of all, Mark Domingo Cruz, I'm just saying to you, you need to shut your F word and do not say about bad words at me. Alright? If you want more saying bad words at me and you calling me an asshole word, I am no longer to get the Toyota 86. That diecast or Aishima snap kit, that car, I don't want to get that. If you have to be good, if you should be deserve to be good. Mark Rose, if I were you should learn about how to be a good person.